Good morning to everyone. Now we discuss about the topic of type of chip produced in metal cutting. Type of material metal chip are commonly observed in practice. There are four main types: continuous, built-up edge, serrated or segmented, discontinuous. Okay. Type of chip produced in metal cutting. First one, the continuous chip, formed with ductile material machined at high cutting speed and or high rake angle. So the diagram, this is the workpiece, the tool. We have to move the workpiece to create the continuous chip formation. Deformation take place along a narrow shear zone called the primary zone. Continuous chip may develop a secondary shear zone due to high friction at the tool chip interface. Okay. Next type of built-up edge chip consists of layer of material from the workpiece that deposited on the tool tip. As it goes larger, the BUE built-up edge becomes unstable and eventually breaks apart. BUE built-up edge can be reduced by increase the cutting speed, decrease the depth of cut, increase the rake angle, use a sharp tool, use an effective cutting fluid, use a cutting tool that has lower chemical affinity for the workpiece material. Mechanics of cutting. Type of chip produced in metal cutting. Third type of serrated chips, also called segmented or non-homogeneous chips. They are semi-continuous chips with a large zone of low shear strain and small zone of higher shear strain. Chips have a short-tooth like appearance. High shear strain zone, low shear strain zone. Discontinuous chip consists of segments that attached firmly or loosely to each other form under the following condition: brittle work material, material with hard inclusion and impurities, very low or very high cutting speed, large depth of cut, low rake angle, lack of an effective cutting fluid, low stiffness of machine tool. Discontinuous chip, irregular surface due to chip discontinuous. Mechanics of cutting. Chip breaker. During machining, long and continuous chip will affect the machining. It will spoil tool work and machine. It will also be difficult to remove metal and also dangerous. The chip should be broken into small pieces for easy removal, safety and to prevent the damage to machine work. This is called chip breaker. Show the diagram. Workpiece in the top side of the tool with a chip breaker. Chip breaker insert the to continuous the chip to rotate in the opposite direction. Show the diagram B. Rake face of the tool, clamp chip breaker to this picture C. The chip breaker in the radius, positive rake angle, zero rake angle. Okay. Another one is type of chip breaker. Chip can also be broken by changing the tool geometry to control chip flow. Chip also broken by changing the tool geometry to control the chip of flow. Cutting tool classification. Single point cutting tool, multiple cutting edge tool. Single point tool. One dominant cutting edge point is usually rounded to form a nose radius. Turning uses single point tools. Multiple cutting edge. More than one cutting edge. Motion relative to work achieved by rotating. Drilling and milling use rotating multiple cutting edge tool. Okay, cutting tool. A single point cutting tool also show a picture. Single point cutting tool showing the rake face, flank and tool point. The helical milling cutter representative of representative of tool with multiple cutting edges. Cutting tool material. A cutting tool material or cutter is any tool that is used to remove material from the workpiece by means of shear deformation. Cutting tool must be made of material harder than the material which is to be cut, and the tool must be able to withstand the heat generated in the metal cutting process. Thank you, student.